Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taure from Gossipfunda. Our today's video focuses on how to reset the control center on iPhone. There are a few troubleshooting steps with the help of which we can solve this issue of resetting the control center icons or all the applications that are needed on the control center. So let us look at the steps. For this, you need to firstly open your control center by swiping down from the top. This is how your control center looks, and it has all the applications which you need on daily basis. To change it, you need to long press on the control center screen, and then you can change the size and remove the applications which are not necessary by clicking on the minus sign on above every application. By doing this, you can remove the application, and if you need to add a new control, then there is a small button at the lowest bottom which you have to click. There's a add button. After clicking that, you can add a new control. The second step is to change the settings, for which you need to go to the settings application, scroll down to the general section. After that, you need to scroll and go to transfer or reset your iPhone, and then you need to select the reset button and you have to reset all the settings. This would not hamper any of your data, including your phone contacts or your photos or any other data. It would just do a factory reset for all your settings. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.